Top 5 foods highest in vitamin H, biotin. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a rich source of biotin. They are versatile and can be used in numerous dishes, from breakfast to baking. One large egg, about 50 grams, contains approximately 10 micrograms of biotin. Almonds are a good source of biotin. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or added to various dishes. 1 ounce, or 28 grams, of almonds provides around 1.5 micrograms of biotin. Sweet potatoes are rich in biotin and other nutrients. They can be baked, boiled, or made into fries. A medium-sized sweet potato, weighing about 130 grams when baked, contains roughly 2.4 micrograms of biotin. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable high in biotin. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. 1 cup of cooked spinach, about 180 grams, provides approximately 7 micrograms of biotin. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable that provides biotin. It can be steamed, roasted, or added to casseroles and soups. 1 cup of cooked broccoli, around 156 grams, contains about 0.4 micrograms of biotin. Eat more of these foods to maintain healthy levels of vitamin H.